Who would have thought? The song is following me around now.
Oh man, look at my life. 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think too. Love lost such a cost. Look at things that don't get lost. Like a coin that won't get tossed. Rolling home to you. You. Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm alive like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Look at my life. Lullabies, look in your eyes, run around
The same old town
doesn't mean that much to me, to mean that much to you. I've been first and last, look at how the time goes past, but I'm all alone at last, rolling home to you. Oh man, take a look at my life, I'm alive like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Oh, I'm living my life and you can tell that's true.
Come on to her, Neil, come on to her.
Oh man, look at my life, I'm a lot like you. Oh man, look at my life, I'm a lot like you.
Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. Neil Young, World Class Rock, Shea 106. Your 11 o'clock bonus code for the Ottawa Senators' big ticket blowout for the game in a couple of days against Carolina is interference. INTERFERENCE. Interference.
I just jumped in my van. Yes, I got myself another van. I got a 2003 Dodge Caravan for $1,000. Passed the safety check and runs like a scalded dog. Oh yeah, it's a real babe magnet. Anyway, I posted that video last night, me and the guitar. I'm just getting ready to go jump in my truck there to go to the Ford. I jump into my van here, and the first song on the radio when I flash her up is Neil Young. Neil's my buddy. I've been listening to him since he started playing guitar. And, yeah, something about that song is kind of haunting, and I just think it's a great, great tune. But, that being said, at any rate, all things considered, yeah, there's the Welding factory. That's where I used to work over there, making airplane parts for the Welding Aircraft Company. They call it Iron Fire Aerospace there now. And that's where I bring my aluminum, my load of aluminum in my wee truck. I end up driving right back to where I started all those years ago. Yeah, so I'm just going over the yard there, going to warm up the old International Bar and Grill. And going to hit the road for Hartford. It'll be probably 11:30 when I roll out. That'll put me down in Hartford at 9 o'clock tonight. And, good Lord willing, the river don't rise. We'll have a safe trip, and y'all have a good day. We will talk to you on the flip side. Bye now.